guys, today I'm going to show you these really cool solar lights I got from Amazon. These are really nice. They're LED 9000K with motion sensor. It comes in a pack of 2 lights. I already installed one by the playground, and I'm going to show you this one. It's really nice. It comes with the lamp itself, the flood lamp, and a solar panel with a cord that's over 16 feet long, so like that you have plenty of space to install your light where you need it and have your solar panel somewhere sunny. It comes with all the hardware that you're gonna need to install. These are really good. They're perfect for your patio, your garage, your yard. They're super fast charging. They're charged within 4 to 5 hours of exposure to the sun, and they are waterproof and weatherproof. So really a great product. I highly recommend. Hope you guys enjoy it.